Belle? I'm sorry. She's crazy, huh?
Here, let's hold her like a baby.
There's the ongoing battle between cats and kids. Kids love cats. Cats love if you could bottle that kind of love.
Never seen anyone have this much fun with a dog. I don't think she likes this anymore. She's not going anywhere. She's right here.
I need to hold her.
Do the feet thing again.
So you have to hold her like this.
Okay, Lily, I did all your
Hold her.
puzzles.
This cat is
On my shoulder.
patient than me.
Ah, she licked me. Just get her.
Let Tony get his ear pierced.
Oh, she's running from me.
Oh, that cat got him by the ear.
Just get her. Get her. Right there. Right there.
Claws in
Not
his
by the
ear.
tail. Oh, poor Belle.
Guy who presses play.
Get your hair out of your mouth, baby.
You're a little Darla from Finding Nemo, aren't you? She loves you.
Yes, he does. That's you.
She has Look at that dog.
Get her, Belle. Get her. She's wrestling with a dog.
Oh.
You got her.
Hurry, that's her.
Just pick her up.
Hurry, that's her. Hurry, that's away.
I think she really wants to get away.
Yes, he does.
She gave up.
Now rock her to sleep. Side to side. Rock-a-bye, puppy. Faster, faster. You're going slow. Faster, faster. Rock the puppy, rock the puppy. Lean back, lean back.